Want to watch Netflix through your Rogers plan? It's designed to be simple. First, make sure your Rogers internet or TV plan includes Netflix. Plans like Ignite TV often bundle it in. If not, you can add it through the Rogers website or app. Next, download the Rogers app on your smart TV, Roku, Fire TV, or iOS Android device, or go to rogers.com/streaming on your computer. Sign in using your Rogers My Account credentials, and the app will automatically detect your Netflix access. This skips the need for a separate Netflix login, making it super convenient. If you run into buffering issues, try restarting your device or checking your internet speed. Rogers recommends at least 25 Mbps for HD and 50 Mbps for 4K streaming. You can always reach out to Rogers support 24/7 via chat or phone if needed. Netflix profiles are managed directly within the Netflix interface after accessing it through the Rogers app. You can create up to 5 profiles per account, including kid-friendly options with parental controls. Switch between profiles easily within the Rogers app by selecting Netflix from the menu. For the best viewing experience, especially in 4K, you'll need Rogers Ignite Internet 500 Plus with speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. A 4K capable device like a Samsung QLED TV or Apple TV 4K is essential. You'll also need a Netflix Premium or Ultra plan, which supports Dolby Atmos. Enable HDR in your device settings for vibrant colors. Try to limit other background data usage. Rogers 4K Boost feature automatically adjusts quality based on your network load to prevent interruptions. If 4K isn't working, double-check your plan and device compatibility in your Netflix account settings.